Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you move your channel to a brand account. And all you know guys, YouTube brand account is very important to manage your YouTube channel for multiple users, and you can also add managers, editors in your YouTube channel. So this is very important, and today we are going to show you how can you move your channel to a brand account. And you can see this is my normal YouTube channel which I didn't use. But if you using your channel to move your YouTube channel to a brand account, so you are gonna use this. So I'm going to use this demo account. And also one thing you have to remember that you need to create a new YouTube channel for moving your channel to a brand account. Here you can see I have already opened a new account, so I'm gonna not create a new account. So please, if you don't have to, just click on view all channels and just create a channel from there. So as of now we skip this and let's go to our main thing. We have to go on settings. Just click on this view advanced settings, click on it. Now you can see move channel to a brand account, click on it. Now you can see choose an account to move this channel to. Only brand account owned by this account will appear below. That means it's already a brand account, that's why it show here. If you don't have any brand account, you didn't create before, you can see there are no account will be available there. So at first you need to create a new account, then just click on replace over there and tick mark this, and you have to delete this channel and move channel over there. That's mean our previous YouTube channel was deleted and it's moved to a brand account right now. So you can see I don't have any other YouTube channels. So here you can see our brand account is already successfully created. So I hope you like this video. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much.